how far wetin dey play the time baba god don say allow us see another day oya mona gather mo align this matter. The matter when I just wan drop so that based on this rainy season matter, and as parents guardian wetin we need to see do for this season, because this season e no really easy like that for parents and for guardians, based on say things dey follow and based on the weather cold and everything. Because e get some kind bad news when I just see here for Edo State like that. Pikin wey wan go write primary 6 exam last week, so erosion come carry the pikin. Even if they fit still retrieve the body but we can't lose the pikin like that. So at this moment like this, so as much as possible as parents, because school still dey session now, if you dey carry your pikin dey go school, if your pikin dey go school, abeg make sure you kit up well, cardigan dey, socks, wear am, at least no expose the body, wear wetin go fit make am dey warm throughout that period till you go reach house. Because e dey very important, no be joking matter, e dey very important. Kit up your pikin very well this kind period. Maybe say cold no go get chance to penetrate inside the pikin body if at all. Another thing, like this is an erosion, as in like if you dey stay Naija you go know say erosion na everywhere, just dey without talk without complain. Government no see listing, everybody dey turn blind eye for the matter. So as e be like this, so we on ourselves make we see educate ourselves. Like if your pikin dey go school as rain fall, so mostly for morning, at least try as much as possible. I no say no easy, but na your pikin, see drop wetin you dey do. Either the mama go make sacrifice or the papa go make sacrifice. May adults fit hold the pikin and reach school. The same thing, so if when still fall, try make you go pick your pikin for school, because most of all these children they easily distracted. They feel they waka out their friends, they no go know where they go pull leg for wrong place. When we see they no go know, before you know, na story for the gods will come a year. So no be the story we want a year like this. All those kind of bad news, we could try come out and for where we dey. So as parents, as guardian, may we see try kit up your pikin when they go school. Even if the one may no dey go school, the one may they go out, anywhere may they go, kit up your child. Kit am up. Abi how they talk am for Igbo. You dey get me? So kit the child up. Then situation will be say rain fall, because the rain now just it be like say every second still dey fall. E no even good job. Erosion everywhere. So most times all the children don't know where to pull leg. As adults, the way we as adults go take see, I know we so pikin go take see. So as much as possible, hold your pikin hand. If you na carry, if you carry am go school, make it go. If you see that the rain too much, you get the way the rain to take play, except no be exam, normal class, make the pikin relax for house. Because all those kind of news, I don't want to hear. We don't to hear all those kind of news of erosion the guy pikin, make they go school, erosion the guy pikin, make they go school, erosion the guy pikin, make they waka your own. You know, be news maybe say we want to hear. So I beg my people, make una dey very careful this period. My people, make una no forget to continue to dey like, to continue to dey share, and still subscribe to our channel. And make una no still forget that bell una ring. So anytime may update drop, una will be there among the first people make we know. My people, una do.